This meditation is extremely powerful. While listening, visualize who do you like to fall in love with you. See them from your eyes as they look upon you with open and powerful desire, and see yourself from their eyes and feel the overwhelming love and desire. Now let's begin. I make people fall in love with me. I make people fall in love with me with thought. I make people fall in love with me with my desires. I make people fall in love with me with my intentions. I make people fall in love with me with my suggestions. I can make anybody fall in love with me. I can make everybody fall in love with me. I have irresistible love power. I have irresistible attraction. I target my attraction with power. I target my attraction with force. I easily bring back old lovers. I easily bring back old flames. I easily create massive desire for me and others. I easily create massive lust for me and others. I easily create intense desire for me and others. I easily create intense lust for me and others. I create love with my mind. I create love with my thoughts. I create love with my energy. I create love with my magnetism. I create love with my charisma. I create love with my gaze. I create love with my intention. I create love across vast distances. People cannot resist my love power. People cannot resist my love force. People cannot resist my love energy. People willingly fall under my spell. People willingly obey my desires. People willingly beg to love me. People willingly beg to adore me. People willingly beg to be with me. You make people fall in love with you. You make people fall in love with you with thought. You make people fall in love with you with your desires. You make people fall in love with you with your intentions. You make people fall in love with you with your suggestions. You can make anybody fall in love with you. You have irresistible love power. You have irresistible attraction. You target your attraction with power. You target your attraction with force. You easily bring back old lovers. You easily bring back old flames. You easily create massive desire for you and others. You easily create massive lust for you and others. You easily create intense desire for you and others. You easily create intense lust for you and others. You create love with your mind. You create love with your thoughts. You create love with your energy. You create love with your magnetism. You create love with your charisma. You create love with your gaze. You create love with your intention. You create love across vast distances. People cannot resist your love power. People cannot resist your love force. People cannot resist your love energy. People willingly fall under your spell. People willingly obey your desires. People willingly beg to love you. People willingly beg to adore you. People willingly beg to be with you. It is already done. Type, "People willingly beg for my love" to affirm this meditation. And if you would like help manifesting love, I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com and I can help you manifest whatever you would like, just like thousands of my other clients. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.